In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change debit card on Cash App. You cannot have two debit or credit cards on Cash App on the same time, so first thing you need to do is to delete your previous card, and here's how to add a new one. Open the Cash App on your Android device or iPhone. You should see the Cash App home screen. Look for your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. In there, scroll down until you find the Linked Banks option. Tap on Linked Banks to proceed. Within the Linked Banks section, look for an option that says Link Debit Card. Tap on it to start adding your debit card. You will be prompted to enter debit card information such as card number, CVV, zip code, and expiration date. After that, double-check all of the information you've entered to ensure accuracy, because any incorrect details could insult or result in an error. Next, look for a button or option that says Link a Card or Add Card. Tap on this button to complete the process, verify the add-in of your card, and congratulations. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.